If your trading results aren't where you want them to be, there are important key features that are unique to Ultra Blue Forex that you must have to make you a profitable trader, especially if you've been struggling until now. Pay close attention for the next few minutes to learn what these features are and how they will turn you into the best trader you know. Watch this video and you'll find out Ultra Blue's unique secrets to growing your Forex account easier and faster. Hey there, if you're here watching this, it can mean only one thing. You're looking for a better and more profitable way to trade. You're looking for a system that is easy to follow and can make you a lot of money in a short period of time. You're looking to get trades like these, and trades like these, and grow your account like this. Jan multiplied her $1,000 account 25 times to get $25,029.99. The good news is you're in the right place. If you want easier and more profitable trades, this is where you need to be. I'm about to show you Ultra Blue Forex and how it will turn you from a break-even or from a losing trader into one of the fastest money-making professionals you've seen. You can literally become the best trader you know. Your friends will wonder how you do it, and you'll be the hero of your trading circle. Start winning 80% of your trades. Have wins that are 2 or 3 times bigger than your losses. Keep losses so tiny that you can barely feel them. Find more trading opportunities than ever before. Know what pairs are ready for the big moves. Place trades before they happen. Use multiple entry signals so you never miss a trade. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, then you don't need to look any farther. You're exactly where you need to be. Ultra Blue Forex has the systems, the tools, and the resources to make this happen for you. You've heard that Forex isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, and while this is true, you can get wealthy much faster than 90% of traders if you use the right systems and tools. The trouble is that most traders never use the right systems or tools. They don't know the difference between what's good and what's bad, and they lose more money than they make. With Ultra Blue Forex, you get the right battle-tested systems and the unique tools that will turn your account into one a professional would be proud of. I'm going to show you what Ultra Blue Forex offers that no other system can. These are the unique secrets that will quickly solve all your current problems. It's time to make your trading much simpler and make you more money. With what's inside Ultra Blue Forex, you can literally take fewer trades, risk less, and earn way more. Hey there, my name is Russ and I've been trading for 20 years. Trading allowed me to quit my day job and live the life every trader aspires to. I have freedom to do just about anything I want to do each and every day without stress or worry. On top of spending time with my family and adventuring out into the mountains, I work my dream job as a full-time trader and system developer. And as a system developer, I've created hundreds of profitable systems, and right from the beginning, I started noticing what worked well, what kind of worked, and what didn't work at all. The years of system building have been the ultimate testing battlegrounds, and Ultra Blue Forex is the compilation of only the pieces that work extremely well. With the Ultra Blue Forex system, you have the best trading system I have ever put together. This is the system that will make you profitable once and for all and faster than you think. This brings me to secret number 1. Your system must have rules that are simple. Although this one isn't so much a secret, it's always overlooked. Your trading system has to be simple. A simple system is a friendly system, one that you can actually use. Ultra Blue Forex has the perfect indicators with the perfect settings to make the perfect template. To make it the most profitable system you can get, it went through an evolution. It started from this. This is a very basic, this was as simple as I wanted it to be, but it went from this, and then to this, and then finally this. Albert Einstein once said that you should make a thing as simple as possible without making it simpler. The Ultra Blue Forex template is exactly that. It's as simple as it possibly can be and still be as profitable as possible. With this template, Ultra Blue Forex is the most powerful and profitable system imaginable. It's as simple as it can be without sacrificing performance. It's clutter-free without causing confusion, delays, or contradicting signals. It's the perfect blend of easy to use and super profitability. It gives you high probability trade setups around the clock. With a simple system, you will actually get more trading opportunities than using the complicated system you might be using now. And because of its simple nature, you get a higher percentage of winning trades. Talking about more trading opportunities, this brings us to secret number 2. Your system must have multiple signals. Most systems are built to give you one signal at the time of a trade. Ultra Blue Forex is designed to give you as many as 12 signals for a trade. No matter what the setup is, you can't miss a trade, even if you miss the first few signals. These systems are stackable, meaning you only use one template with 12 ways to trade it. These are the systems you have access to. The light blue manual will give you the basic blue trade. The deep blue manual gives you the RSI trade, the trendline trade, the engulfing trade, and the inside day trade. The cookbook gives you a whole bunch of these, but the ones that aren't mentioned are the zone trade, the 2 trendline trade, the divergence trade, and the boss trade. And then we have the Forex Redeemer manual, and that has the Redeemer trade. And the Forex Fusion manual gives you the Fusion trade and the Twisted trade. You have trade types that get you into a trade early, get you in with extra confirmation, and get you into a trade late. So if you missed a move, we've got opportunities to get in after that move. There are ways to even set it and forget it for those times you can't spend time in front of your computer. This is a tradable move to the target. We could have entered a trade here, or here, or here, or here, or even here. The trades in these examples are different trade types. I briefly mentioned earlier that all these trade types are stackable. This means that because they use the same template, you can use them all together at the same time. Remember what a nightmare it was when you tried to smush trading systems together because you thought the more the better. You ended up with a Frankenstein of a trading system that even acted like an untradeable monster. It became confusing, hard to read, and would give off late and contradictory signals. There are none of those problems with stackable systems. Stackable systems don't fight each other, and you never get contradictory signals. What you end up getting are far more signals. You choose the ones that you're most comfortable with or trade several of them at the same time. Now for secret number 3. Your system must have easy to follow formulas. The next thing you'll get from Ultra Blue Forex are the account compounding formulas that you won't find anywhere else. They are programmed into simple calculators, so you don't need to worry about the math. It's all taken care of for you. We start with the compound calculator. This one is fun, and it gives you ideas where you want to take your trading. Plan some big dreams. Start with what you have and see how far you can take it. Adjust the starting amount, the risk amount, and the reward to risk ratio. You'll be amazed how quickly your account can grow. Next, we have the goal calculator. This one is unique to Ultra Blue Forex. I built it custom for the Ultra Blue members. The goal calculator will tell you the percentage gain you need in order to reach your goals, no matter how big they are. You'll be surprised how little you need to earn. In this example, you can turn $1,000 into $100,000 in 52 weeks by only growing your account 9.26% a week. With this calculator, you can make a plan that you can actually follow to reach your target. Not only does it tell you your weekly target, it tells you the dollar amount to reach to stay completely on track. Now for the multiplier calculator. The multiplier calculator is more than a formula. It's a complete process, but the process is extremely simple and straightforward. You'll find it very easy to use. It tells you what you will make if you choose a certain risk percentage and reward to risk ratio. If you follow the process, the amount you can make is staggering. This is a screenshot of what the multiplier calculator looks like. All we need to be concerned about is what's circled in the top left corner. The calculator will keep you on track. You will always know what to trade to make the biggest gains. Wherever you are in your cycle, it will tell you exactly what to do next. Just fill in one section with basic info and the calculator does everything else on autopilot. The default settings will grow your account by 2,418% or 24 times, but the truth is you can do much more. Ultra Blue Forex traders have regularly made over 2,000% in a month. That's earning 20 times the initial account. Here are some examples of what traders have earned in 30 days. This is example number 1. And this account was multiplied 25 times. Jan added $25,029.99 to her $1,000 account in 3 weeks. Example number 2 is multiplied 255 times. Jay took his tiny $30 account and grew it over $7,500 in 4 weeks. Example number 3, this account grew 68 times. Fred grew his account from $250 to $17,018.81 in 15 trading days. Example number 4, this account grew 70 times. Preston added $21,022.03 to his $300 account in 24 trades. Example number 5, this account grew 43 times, and Amanda took her $300 account and earned $13,186.01 in under a month. And finally, example number 6, this account grew 25 times. Alfred built onto his $500 account with $12,490.29 in less than 4 weeks. Now, if you can follow the steps laid out by the calculator, you can achieve amazing amounts like this too. If you could only 10 times your account, or just 5 times your account, would it still be worth it? Absolutely it would. Finally, this brings us to secret number 4. Your system must have money-making bonuses. Now, I want to be sure that you have everything you need to succeed beyond all reason, so I'm offering you more. Additional indicators. Now, over the years, I have built quite a few indicators that can help you with your trading. You have access to these with instructional videos. Market analysis videos. These videos are a detailed assessment of the market. Traders have joined just for these videos. So this is an example market analysis video. This is a video that I did for the pound US dollar, and you can actually watch this video if you scroll down on this page. I have made this video available to you so you can see exactly the process and how my thinking works and how it can result in you making bigger and better trades. So trade setups. I explain my thoughts on the market and where it's likely going to go. These assessments end with trade ideas that you can plan your trades around. This is an example trade idea. This is the same video of the pound US dollar, and again, you'll be able to watch this if you scroll down this page. You'll see how I analyze the market and then come up with an idea for a market movement. And usually these work out very, very well. Traders plan their trades around a lot of these assessments. Community. This is an area where you have access to me and other traders. Have your questions answered, post your charts, and get valuable feedback. Imagine how fast your trading will turn around with everything I've just shown you. How it could pay off debts, how it can make retirement more affordable or earlier or even realistic, how it can pay off your home, how it can clear your credit cards. The biggest benefit by far is how it can help take away much of the stress you're feeling right now. So many traders are feeling the pressure of mounting bills and expenses. Having the tools that Ultra Blue Forex provides can eliminate much of that anxiety and stress. I know you're curious about how much all of this is going to cost, and you will be incredibly surprised. With everything you get as an Ultra Blue Forex member, you would expect to pay well over $2,500. But you're not going to pay $2,500. You're not going to pay $1,000. You're not going to pay $497. For a very limited time, I'm offering all of this for only $247. It's a one-time payment with nothing to buy again ever. For only $247, you will get well over $5,000 worth of systems and additional must-have content that will turn you into a wealthy trader. Simple to use trading systems, multiple stackable systems, calculators to keep you on track, video training, trade setups, community to ask your questions. If you want to finally profit from the market, if you want to simplify the way you trade and create more opportunities, if you want to multiply your account faster than you've ever done before, if you want the rewards and the freedom that come with incredibly profitable trading, you'll get all of that and more as an Ultra Blue Forex member. If you want the best system to help you meet all of your ambitious Forex goals, you need what Ultra Blue Forex offers. Click the button below this video and become a member today. Let's get you where you want to be. Remember, this is a limited time offer, so act now and don't get left behind. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the inside growing your account like never before.